In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use pen on Adobe Acrobat, full 2024 guide. You're in the right place if you want to handwrite notes, circle items, or mark up a PDF directly inside Acrobat. I'll walk you through opening your file, finding the right tools, and using both drawing and text for clean, professional annotations. First, have your PDF ready. Open Adobe Acrobat, then open the PDF you want to work on. You can go to File and Open, or simply drag and drop the PDF into Acrobat. Once it's open, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu with options, including Tools. If your window is small, this panel might be condensed hover or expanded so you can clearly see what's available. Here's an important note for 2024. You won't see a button literally labeled Pen. In Acrobat, the handwriting feature is called Draw or Freehand Draw. That's the tool you'll use to write or sketch on the page. Click Tools, then look for Comment or the Draw icon on the toolbar. The Draw icon typically looks like a squiggly line. Select it, and a small formatting bar should appear where you can choose the line thickness, color, and opacity. Thicker lines are great for circling or highlighting areas. Thinner lines feel more like a pen for notes and signatures. Click and drag on the page to draw freehand. If you make a mistake, use Undo from the menu or keyboard, or select the mark you made and delete it. You can also select any drawing you've placed and adjust its properties afterward. Change the color, tweak the thickness, or move it to a new spot. If your stylus supports pressure, Acrobat will still treat the stroke consistently based on the thickness you choose. So pick a size that matches the look you want. Alongside Draw, there's a text feature you can use to type clean, readable notes. Look for the text icon on the same toolbar, often labeled Add Text or denoted by a T. Click it, then click anywhere on the PDF to start typing. Use the formatting options to adjust font size, color, and alignment. This is perfect for quick labels, instructions, or filling non-interactive forms when you want a tidy result instead of handwriting. When you're done marking up your document, remember to save your changes. If you want to keep a clean original, choose Save As and create a new copy. That's it. You now know where the Draw tool lives, why it's called Draw instead of Pen, and how to pair it with the text tool for clear, effective annotations.